So I just came across this invoicing platform called Rachoon, and it totally caught my attention.
Rachoon, that sounds intriguing. What makes it stand out from other invoicing tools?
Well, it's self-hosted, which gives users full control over their billing. That's pretty unique, right?
Definitely. Self-hosting can be a game changer for privacy and control. But doesn't that require some technical know-how?
It does, but that's part of its charm. Think of it like customizing your own workspace. You can set it up just how you like.
True, I guess that customization makes it appealing for freelancers and small businesses. Do they offer features too?
Absolutely, they have invoice creation, client management, and even payment tracking. It's all designed to be super efficient.
Wow, that sounds handy. The payment tracking feature seems essential too. How does that work?
You can log payment statuses and track overdue invoices. It's like having a mini accountant.
That's super useful. But I wonder, do they offer any integrations? That could really enhance usability.
Good question. I didn't see specific integrations mentioned, but it uses a solid tech stack with Nuxt, JS, and PostgreSQL.
Interesting choice. But does that mean users might have to set up everything from scratch?
Pretty much, the installation process involves using Docker, which might be a hurdle for less tech-savvy folks.
Right, that could limit its audience. But I imagine those who are comfortable will appreciate the flexibility.
Exactly, and there's also a customizable template feature for branding, which is a nice touch.
That's a great feature. Personalizing invoices can definitely help businesses stand out.
Totally, plus they support multiple currencies and tax settings. It's designed for a global reach.
That's clever, but I wonder how well it handles different tax regulations.
Yeah, tax regulations can be tricky. I'm curious if they provide guidelines or if users have to figure that out.
That's a fair point. It could be a potential drawback if they don't offer clear support.
For sure, and while it looks promising, I'm wondering about the learning curve for new users.
Right, if it's too steep, it could discourage people from using it despite its features.
Exactly, maybe they could include some tutorials or a better onboarding experience.
That would help tremendously. So, what's the overall takeaway here?
I think Rachoon has a lot of potential, especially for those who want control and customization.
And it seems well suited for freelancers, but could be challenging for less tech-savvy users.
Agreed, it's all about finding the right balance between flexibility and usability.
And maybe they could enhance their support for various tax regulations to attract more users.
That would definitely broaden their appeal. It's all about meeting users where they are.
Exactly. So, what's your final thought on Rachoon?
I think it's a clever tool with some exciting features, but it requires a specific user mindset.
That's a great summary. I'm curious to see how it evolves in the future.
Me too, it could really shake up the invoicing space if they get the support right.
And if they can streamline the setup process, they might attract a broader audience.
Absolutely, the potential is there, and I can't wait to see what they do next.
Same here, it's definitely a space to watch. I wonder what other tools are out there.
Right, exploring the landscape could reveal some interesting alternatives.
For sure, there's always something new in the tech world. This conversation has been enlightening.
Glad to hear that. I think we've just scratched the surface of invoicing tools.
Definitely, there are so many angles to explore. I'm excited for our next discussion.
Same here, let's keep digging into these innovations. There's so much to uncover.
Absolutely. It's all about finding the best tools to make our lives easier.
Exactly, and sharing these discoveries keeps the conversation going.
Couldn't agree more. Until next time, let's keep the curiosity alive.
For sure, looking forward to it. Let's see what we can uncover next.